Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Reset This PC not working on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. So let me show you the reset option at first. Just go to search and search for reset and you'll find Reset This PC from your best matches. Just open it up. And from here, you'll get this recovery option that you can reset your PC. If you click on that, you'll get your options. But as you go forward, it will block you. To fix this, what you have to do is just go to your search and type CMD. Then just click on Run as Administrator. And after that, just give it permission and you'll come here. Then in here, just type this command. This is reagent C space / info. Again, it is REAGENT C space / info. You can just type this, then just click on it, and you'll find this. And here you'll see your Windows RE status. And as you can see, it's enabled for me. If it's not enabled for you, what you can do is just simply go ahead and type the same command again, except for /info, you can type /enable and hit enter. And after you have done that, your RE status will be set to enabled. How we can check that? We can input the first command again, which is reagent C / info, and hit enter. And after that, you'll see your Windows RE status has been set to enabled. And after you have done that, just go ahead and restart your computer. And when you come back, you will be able to reset your PC. And basically, that is how to fix Reset This PC not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.